Hello student. So today we start with our first chapter, that is motion. In this video we cover some of the basic topics of this chapter, and in this very first slide let's start with the chapter. Our chapter name is motion. So first of all we must know what is motion. As we discussed in our class, a body is said to be in motion when its position changes continuously with respect to an stationary object taken as a reference point. Now, what does it mean? It means that an object is said to be in motion if its position change continuously with respect to stationary object. Now, what is stationary object? Stationary object means that suppose tree. Tree are the stationary object. As it is given in the video, you are viewing that video on your screen, mobile screen. The car is in motion because the position of car with respect to the trees is continuously changing. That's why car is in motion. It is written in the example, when the position of the car changes continuously with respect to stationary object like houses, trees, we say that car is in motion. Okay, so you understand what is motion? A body is said to be in motion when its position change continuously with respect to stationary object. And what is reference point? See, reference point is that point with respect to which the position is defined. When we define the position of any body, we define with respect to a certain point, and that point is called reference point. Okay, suppose you say someone about the position of your, and you are standing near your school. So what do you say to your friend on the phone? That I am standing near to the our school on main gate. So main gate we have taken reference point. Okay, so next we move to next slide. Now, distance traveled and displacement. So we must know what is distance. Now, distance is the distance traveled by a body is the actual length of the path covered by a moving body irrespective of the direction in which the body travels. That means distance is the total length of the path covered by that body, right? As it is given in the diagram over there, this person, a boy is moving from starting position 0, and when it moves from 0 to 6 meter, that means its position increases, its distance increases 6 meter, and when go back again its distance increases, that means its total distance become 6 plus 6 12. Then again go again 6, then again back again 6, that means 6 meter continuously adding in distance. Okay, now let's move to next topic, displacement. Now, what is displacement? When a body moves from one point to another, the distance traveled refer to actual length of the indirect path, whereas displacement refer to the straight line path between initial position and final position. The main definition is given in the second two lines. The displacement is the straight line path between initial position and the final position, or you can say it is the shortest distance between initial position and final position, right? Now if you are viewing that video, in this video a person start from 0, and when it moves 4 meter 6 meter right, then its displacement becomes 6 meter, and when back to the start its displacement become 0. Okay, so distance and displacement you understand. So next we move to next slide. Now this is very important. This is scalar quantities and vector quantity. Now what are a scalar quantity? Scalar quantities are those quantities which have only magnitude. For example, length, mass, temperature, pressure, energy, entropy. This entropy term is not in your syllabus. You can simply write remember two or more terms only: length, area, volume, speed, right? And what are vector quantities? Vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. For example, displacement, velocity, acceleration. These are all quantities are vector quantities. Okay, means vector quantities have both magnitude as well